Hello everyone. I welcome you all for the video lecture on the basics of Python. Today we will look at the overview of Python with some applications. We are going to do the Python basics. What is Python? A program is a set of instructions that help computer to perform tasks. The languages that are used to write a program or set of instructions are called programming languages. Programming languages are broadly categorized into three types: machine level language, assembly level language, high level language. Python is a popular programming language. It was created by Guido van Rossum and released in 1991. Python is an open source, high level, dynamically typed, portable, expressive, easy to learn, and code programming language. It is used for web development and the server side, software development, mathematics, system scripting. Why Python? Python works on different platforms: Windows, Mac, Linux, Raspberry Pi, etc. Python has a simple syntax, similar to the English language. Python has syntax that allows developers to write programs with fewer lines than some other programming languages. Python runs on an interpreter system, meaning that code can be executed as soon as it is written. Way to execute Python: we can execute Python language in interactive mode, command line, text editor, in integrated development environment like PyCharm. Interactive mode: command prompt on your Windows machine. Command line stored in a .py file. In command line, we have to write Python keyword before the file name in the command prompt. This is how we can execute the Python program. The fundamentals of Python consist of the statements, indentation, tokens, comments, constants, and variables. Let's look at the keywords in Python. Python keywords are special, reserved words that have specific meanings and purposes and can't be used for anything but those specific purposes. There are 33 Python keywords. What are keywords? These are the keywords in Python. And is a keyword, and it is a logical operator in Python language, as it is used to create an alias. Assert for debugging. Break to break out a loop. Class to define a class. Continue to go to the next iteration of a loop. Def to define a function. To delete an object. Elif a conditional statements like else of, else a conditional statements, except used with exceptions, what to do when an exception occurs. False boolean value. Finally, used with exceptions will be executed no matter if there is an exception or not. For to create a for loop. From to import specific parts of a module. Global to declare a global variable. If to make a conditional statement. Import to import a module. In to check if a value is in a list. Tuple. Lambda to create an anonymous function. None represents a null value, non-local to declare a non-local variable. Not a logical operator or is a logical operator pass a statement that will do nothing. Raise to raise an exception. Written to exit a function and return a value. True boolean value. Try to make a try except statement. While to create a while loop with used to simplify exception handling yields to end a function returns a generator. So what's next? Yes. Next comes the important concepts in Python that we will discuss in the next classes. Thank you all.